Hello, this is Untitled from Digital Values Engine. You are welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about 2 ways in which you can start using to make money on EXPERTNAIRE just by using your mobile phone. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Without further ado, let's get started. You are welcome back, guys. Like I said, we want to talk about 2 ways to make money on EXPERTNAIRE with your mobile phone. If all that you have is your Android phone, this video is for you. Having a laptop is not a barrier in this case. So what is EXPERTNAIRE? EXPERTNAIRE is an online digital marketplace where you can either buy or sell quality digital products and earn a quality commission. In other words, EXPERTNAIRE is an online marketplace where you can sell other people's products as an affiliate and get paid for it. This process is called affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means selling other people's products and get paid a certain percentage of commission when the purchase has been made. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, please do well to check my other videos on this channel. I've already made videos about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to also drop the link in the description below. So 2 ways to make money on EXPERTNAIRE. Number 1 is by promoting other people's products, and number 2 is by listing your own digital product on the site, e.g. ebook and video courses. So what are those things that you need to do if you want to start promoting other people's product on EXPERTNAIRE? There are few things to do. Number 1 is you registering as an affiliate on EXPERTNAIRE. So at this point, I need to let you know that registration as an affiliate on EXPERTNAIRE is not free. So you need to register through a system called 72IG, and the full meaning of 72IG is 72-hour income generator. So what does that mean? Personally, I used to call 72IG a roadmap. The reason is because 72IG serves as a guideline, it serves as a manual for anyone, even a newbie who does not know anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing or whatsoever. So it's like a roadmap for you, a manual for you that guides you step by step on becoming a professional affiliate marketer. So now I said that registering on EXPERTNAIRE is not free. So right now, as at the time of recording this video, registration on EXPERTNAIRE through 72IG system is 50k, and when you look at the values you are going to be getting in the 72IG system, 50k is way too low to the values you are getting. So I'd like to also tell you that 50k as at the time of recording this video is a promo price, which might go up anytime soon. So if you would like to register as an affiliate, probably you feel that affiliate marketing is what you would like to do or is what you want to do, then you need to sign up. You can sign up with the link on the screen, and at the same time I will also drop the link in the description below so that you can get yourself registered on EXPERTNAIRE. So for me to buttress a little bit about what 72IG, what you are getting in 72IG. 72IG, like I said, is a roadmap. It teaches you a basic web design skill. You're going to be getting copywriting skill. You're going to be teaching you graphics design skill. It's going to be teaching you how to market on WhatsApp. You understand, how to make sales on WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. A lot of things, a lot of values that you are going to be getting in 72IG. So I will advise you, if affiliate marketing is what you've been considering that you want to do, now is the time before the price goes up. So you need to take advantage of the promo price now, because it might go up anytime soon. So you can make use of the link on the screen, and I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can get yourself registered. Then number 2, what you need to do after signing up as an affiliate is to pick a promising product. Promising product in this sense means a product that caters for people's need. You understand? A product that solves people's problem, because that is very important. So after picking that product, then another thing is promote the product using social media advertisement. That is where the knowledge of a digital marketer comes in, which you are also going to be getting the skill in 72 IG. You understand? So if you are able to do these 3 things, then you start making money on EXPERTNAIRE. So I'm going to switch to EXPERTNAIRE product marketplace now to show you what the interface look like, and then show you some of the products on the product marketplace and how you can get your affiliate link on the product marketplace. Guys, this is how the EXPERTNAIRE website looks like. You understand? So once you are here, you just have to sign up. Since you are registered, you just have to sign up. When you sign up, sign in rather. When you sign in, so here I want to show you how the website looks like, most especially the product marketplace and the product listed on the marketplace. You understand? So you can see on the menu here, you can see that is my name on it because it is my account. So now you see this is product marketplace. Just click on it. Once you click on it, then it leads you to the product marketplace. Then you can see list of list of products on the website. You can see there are so many of them. You can go on and on. There are so many of them. You can see from this study in Canada master class training, final staff knockout, the 30-day natural weight loss challenge, and so on and so forth. And there are so many products on EXPERTNAIRE that you can promote. Now, for example, let's say I want to promote CP Affiliate Mastery. The price of the product is 102,500. So the affiliate commission, you can see 50 is 50%. It means that if you sell this product, you are going to be getting half of the price you sell it as a commission. It means that 102,500 is the original price and 50% is the commission. It means that you'll be getting like 51,250 as your affiliate commission. Imagine if you just sell 1 or 2 of that in a week. You can do the calculation times 4 weeks in a month. You understand? You know how much you'll be making in a month like that. So for you to be able to copy your affiliate link, look at the blue square icon here where there's an eye symbol inside it. Just click it, then it opens. When it opens, then click on the link there. That is your affiliate link. Once you click it, then you can copy it. You can see copy that. Like that, you have been able to get your affiliate link. Then you can start promoting with it. Right about now, I want to talk about the number 2 way to make money on EXPERTNAIRE, which is by listing your product on the website. The process involved in this one is very simple, just like the first one. The number 1 thing you need to do is to create your digital product, or if you already have one, then you are good to go. Or if you want to create more products, you can. So after creating your product, then send an email to help@expertnaire.com stating your request. Let them know that you wish to list your product on the website. Then the third thing is you get a feedback regarding regarding the requirement for you to be able to list your product on EXPERTNAIRE. And if you meet up with those requirements, then your product will be listed. Then other affiliate marketer comes to the website, they pick your product and they start promoting it, and you start making money. So the next thing now is to go on EXPERTNAIRE now, register with the link below or in the description below, and then put in the work. I need to let you know that you have to put in the work, because the more you implement, the more your result. That is the way it is. The more the work you put into it, the more the results you get. And if you have been able to do all these things, you start making your money. And that, I'm not joking, you start making your money. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and then please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out in any of the subsequent videos. Bye for now.